Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a new bag review, and the bag that I am going to review is my YSL wallet wallet on chain bag. So the backstory was that I have always wanted a YSL bag. But every time I saw people that had a YSL bag, I just always thought they're like wealthy, it's so out of my reach. You know, it's never gonna happen for me. And, you know, over time, I've decided to treat myself to luxury bags based on, some major accomplishment, like when I made promotion, when I graduated college and got my bachelor's, when my husband came back from deployment and I was stuck watching the kids for those 6 months. And when he came back, I was like, I deserve to treat myself. So my treat myself was this YSL wallet and chain bag. So I got it from the My Teresa website, and it retailed for about 900 and some change, but then with tax it was about 1200. And so I decided on the color black. This is what it looks like. And I decided on the color black because majority of my wardrobe is black. And I wanted a bag that was small and I could carry as a clutch, but then I could also wear crossbody if need be, especially if I'm out at night. Oh, and I definitely wanted something that I could wear when I'm out at night with my husband or out with friends, and I didn't want to carry a big purse around because all I had was, bigger bags and not something small. So I treated myself to this bag. Like I said, it's the black wallet and chain, and I wanted it in the grain, or I don't think it's called caviar, but I wanted it in the grain leather because I have a tendency to scratch. I'm heavy-handed, so I scratch my stuff. So I decided on this bag, and this is what it looks like. And I have pictures of me wearing it, so as I describe the bag, I will show you pictures of how it looks when I wear it. For reference, I am 5'5" or 165 centimeters, and I'm 142 pounds. So, like I said, this is the bag. And then when you open the bag, it comes with like the card, like the care card. Comes with this thing that I keep in there. And then it comes with the chain, which is why it's called a wallet and chain. And this chain is heavy duty. It is pretty long. Like if I were to wear crossbody, and I'll put up a picture, when I wear crossbody, it comes down to my hip. I do have a short torso and really long legs, so majority of my height is in my legs, but it comes up to my hip. And like I said, the chain is it's a beautiful like gold. It's heavy duty chain. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And then what made me decide to get this purse is because it also comes with its own separate wallet. Now I looked on the YSL website, and they do sell a, like a card holder, and it retails for about 200 and some change dollars. So for the fact that this purse comes with already a wallet, instead of me using my own wallet, I could just stick my cards I'm going to use to go out with in here, and that way I don't have to, bring another wallet. Like this comes with it, and it fits right in this slot right here. So you open the bag, there's not much space. Honestly, it just fits my phone, my keys, and then this card will slide right in this pocket, right over here. Okay, so it doesn't fit a lot, but it fits what I need, which is why I wanted it. Something cute, dainty. What I also love about it is that you can wear it a multiple amount of ways. So obviously you could wear it like a clutch. So you put the chain inside. And the chain is detachable. So if you don't want the chain to be in the way, you could just detach the chain right over here. And right here. You could detach the chain right here. So put the chain in, and then you could wear like a clutch. You can wear it, close it, take the chain out, and then you can wear it crossbody. And then, like I said, I'll put pictures that way you can see. I'm not standing up because I'm wearing pajama pants. Wear crossbody. And then you can also, say if you want to just wear it on your shoulder, you can take your chain, cross one side here, and then cross the other side here. Uh-oh. Okay, so cross, cross. So now they're like kind of crisscross. You close it, and then your chain is shorter, so you can just wear it as like a shoulder little thing right here. Okay, and it comes right up to about my waist right here. So you can wear it like that if you wanted to. And I know that you can double it, but I can't remember how to do that. Like make the chain even shorter, but I cannot remember for the life of me how to do that. And I'm not about to play around with this thing to figure it out. But so that is the bag. To me, like I said, it's reasonably priced. And what I love about YSL, I never pay attention to, is that to me, they are a luxury brand bag. And they're pretty well known in the luxury brand community. But their price is to me, it's like more on the affordable, sort of affordable side. Whereas if I were to get a Louis Vuitton bag or something, they are very expensive. Not expensive as Chanel, not expensive as Dior, but they're pretty up there. I think YSL is one of the more affordable bags or affordable brands as far as luxury, is concerned. But it's not unattainable, like, I really love the YSL brand. Not all their bags, but I do love the brand. And I do love how cute this little thing is. It's super classic. It's just beautiful. And I'm really happy that I treated myself to this bag. And so usually how I store it is I put all my stuff back inside. And like I said, I have kids. They like to touch. And my oldest, my 3-year-old, likes to be like me. So she's like, Mommy, I'm wearing makeup. And she'll just take like my sponge and just tap her face. And it's the cutest thing ever. Not so cute when I'm trying to get ready for work and I'm running behind. But needless to say, they'll be all over this if I leave this out. So I put this in the dust bag that it came with. And it says Saint Laurent. And what I like about it is that it's lined on the inside with white. So if you have maybe a white bag or a lighter bag and you're scared like the black bag is going to color it, it's not, because it's lined white on the inside. And I decided to go on the My Teresa app or My Teresa site to get the bag, because I could have sworn that they said that if you sign up first time, you get like 10% off or something like that. And I did, and I guess that was for specific bags, and this bag wasn't one of them. And I was like, damn it. Well, I already committed, so it is what it is, and I'm perfectly okay with what I pay for this bag. I'm very happy for it. It is my only clutch bag, so the cost per wear of this is gonna be really good, because I wear mostly black, especially at night, and I love this bag, and I don't want to replace it with any other bag. So yeah, so that's my review on the YSL wallet in chain or wallet on chain clutch purse bag. It's great if you are looking, like I said, if you're really looking to invest or treat yourself to a bag. I highly suggest it, and it's beautiful.